Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing a Hot Wheels 143 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It is so nice. White and red, love it. I freaking love this. Will probably be my favorite out of these 143s. Now, I've got the Millennium Jade R34 Skyline. I've got the AMG up on my shelf, but this one is, it looks so nice in the package. I can't imagine what it looks like once we take her out, but in this release, there was also a 69 modified Mustang, a Mercedes-Benz 300 AMG, and a 2023 Corvette Z06, all of which I want to get. They look so good. They look so good. Now, again, these are $30 at Walmart, $35 at Toys R Us here in Canada, but I'm so excited to get this cracked open. So let's go crack it open. We'll put it on the spinner, and then we'll... GT3 RS from Hot Wheels and 143 scale. Now, like I said before, I have two of these this scale already. It's pretty cool to see the different companies and how they do their scaling. Like Jada, for instance, this is their 143, and it is double the size of a Hot Wheel, but still super cool. Still super cool. But the quality, the heftiness of Hot Wheels, I find is just far superior. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.